And we're back. This time I'm going to show you how to create a knockout text in Illustrator. I've got this image here. I'll select it, go to Object and then lock the selection. It doesn't really matter what image you use, just drag and drop it into your artboard. Then activate the rectangle tool, drag a rectangle, and activate the type tool. Type in some random text with a font that you like. It doesn't really matter what font you use or what text you use. Resize it holding Shift and Alt. And then center it properly like this. And let me resize the rectangle. I'll put the text here for now. And simply drag the corners of the rectangle to the left and right. I'll center that as well, and then I put the text on top of it, just like this. You can select it both, and then click on the rectangle, so it has this blue outline. Then go to Window and Align. You can now align it according to the rectangle, so the text will be in center of the rectangle. If you select both and re-click on it. Now select your text, right click, create outlines. Select it both and then use the shape builder tool, press Alt and click on each letter. And they will be knocked out just like this, and we can see through it. And this is the effect. You can now select it all and then group it under Object and Group, but make sure that you don't miss any shapes, like here with the D. You have to really select everything now, as everything is a shape, and then group it. And now it works. Let us center it once more. And this is how you can create knockout text in Illustrator. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.